Diwali. So welcome to my second vlog, and I'm shooting this vlog after 2 months. The vlog I uploaded last time, it was shot a very long back and I uploaded too late. So yeah, this will be my second vlog. I'm really happy that I'm making another vlog because I totally forgot that I've started vlogging, and I forgot to shoot everything in between that. I forgot to shoot so many events, so many travels, and this home decor video also for Diwali. I forgot to shoot everything as usual. So yeah, today I shopped a lot of things. I'm shopping since last week and it's not stopped yet. मैं लास्ट वीक से शॉपिंग कर रही हूँ और अभी तक मेरी शॉपिंग बंद ही नहीं हो रही है. टुडे आई बॉट अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, क्लोथ्स फॉर माई सेल्फ, फॉर माई सिस्टर. आई शो यू द हील ओनली. बाकी तो सब रख दिया अभी अंदर क्योंकि अभी टाइम हो रहा है रात के 1 बज रहे हैं अभी. सो आई बॉट दिस हील. वेट, लेट मी शो फ्रॉम कैटवॉक. मैं दिख रही हूँ? एम आई विजिबल? सो दिस इज़ अ ब्रांड. दिस इज़ माई आई थिंक फेवरेट लोकल ब्रांड. इस ब्रांड से मेरे पास बहुत सारे हील्स हैं, बहुत सारे चप्पल्स हैं. सो दिस इज़ द हील. इट्स अ ग्रे कलर विथ golden work on it and it's a wooden heel. And by the way, this is not for me, this is for my mother and for my sister because both their shoe sizes are same, and right now my sister is watching me and laughing at me. So yeah, I bought clothes as well for me, for my sister, and yeah, that's it. Can you see this? It's really beautiful. It's gold and I like gold lightings. Can you see this also? Wait. I love these. So as I was saying कि मैंने शूट ही नहीं किया. होम डेकोर जो हमने दिवाली पे डेकोरेशन किया वो मैंने शूट नहीं किया बिल्कुल भी, मैं भूल गई. सो ये देख सकते हैं आप पीछे. यू कैन सी दिस gold lightings. I love gold lightings. Also this is really pretty. See, I ordered this kajal from K Beauty brand. I hope you can see. Kohl Star 24 hour kajal. So I have used so many brands. So yeah, I used Rene recently, and their sharpener is like waste, and my 2 pencils wasted because of that, because of their sharpener. They have to, they should improve their sharpener quality because their sharpener is totally useless. But I don't know, I tried other brands sharpeners also, but the kajal did not work with any sharpener. So yeah, so both the kajals were wasted, but their quality is really great. Like थोड़ा भी स्मज नहीं होता, थोड़ा भी कुछ भी, मतलब 2 दिन तक अगर आप उसको टच नहीं करोगे, वॉश नहीं करोगे, इवन इफ़ यू वॉश योर फेस इट वोंट रिमूव. द रेने काजल इज़ सुपर पिगमेंटेड, and even if you don't touch your eyes for 2 days or even 3 days, it won't move. So recently because of that sharpener I stopped using. मुझे वो पसंद था, मैं चाहती थी कि मैं और यूज़ करूँ, but I can't use because of that issue. So recently yesterday I ordered this K Beauty kajal and today I received it. So this is the kajal and it's really pretty. I'm wearing this right now, you can see. So I apply my kajal below my waterline and on my eyelids, as you can see right now I'm wearing. So this is also really great. I applied this today for the first time in the morning, I think around 8 or 9 a.m. or maybe 10 a.m. So yeah, it did not move like Rene, it did not smudged, and it's completely on the place जैसे मैंने लगाया था in the morning. अभी भी वो बिल्कुल वैसा है, fresh है, no gaps. See, I have used so many kajals, as I said. मैंने बहुत से kajals में I have faced this problem that it it breaks in the between. अब बीच बीच में से थोड़ा थोड़ा वो काजल ब्रेक होता है, और मोस्ट कॉमन प्रॉब्लम स्मच होता है. This kajal haven't moved, see. So yeah, so I wanted to share this. If you girls are planning to switch your kajal brand, or you want to try some new kajals in the market, then go for it completely. You can go for it. This is the best kajal in the first use, I'm saying, I have ever used. And yes, for my lips, I have also used K Beauty lipsticks also from the same brand in the shade Promise. It's a pink nude shade. It's a really pretty shade. If you have used it, you will know what I'm trying to say. But again, it has some issues. It's not long lasting. After 1 hour you have to reapply, then again after 1 hour you have to reapply. So I was tired of applying every hour, and then it finished like in 10 to 15 days, because I like lipsticks. I don't like my bare lips. I always like to wear some kind of color on my lips. So then again I switched from K Beauty lipstick to these new lipsticks, L'Oreal Paris. This is in the shade 601. Worth it. Can you see? 601. Worth it. It is called Alia shade, the Alia shade. You might have seen the very famous advertisement of Alia Bhatt. So it's her shade. It's a nude brown shade. It's a nude, not brown. It's a mauve pink shade. So I love mauve colors. I love mauve nail pens. I love mauve eyeshadows. I don't really apply eyeshadows. I haven't worn any eyeshadow since last 4 to 5 years, I guess. Yeah. So yeah, coming to the point, this mauve pretty pink shade is really beautiful. Shades तो बहुत से brands में beautiful आते हैं, ठीक है, but खासियत क्या है इसमें? What's the different thing in this? It's really long lasting. ये जो brand commit करता है particular lipsticks and shades के बारे में, these lipsticks are unbeatable. You eat jalebi, you eat noodles, you eat Szechuan, you eat oily food, you eat butter paratha, you eat everything. You have your juice, you have your water, you have your drinks, everything, but this won't move. See, it's kiss proof, it's transfer proof. And ये मैंने again morning में लगाया था, in the morning time around 10 a.m. I guess, or maybe 11 a.m. and it's 1 a.m. in the night, in the midnight. You can see the color is really pretty, and I like these colors. I like colors which are light, decent. I think it's 1 a.m. I should not talk much. I should wash my face and I should change into my comfy night suit. So yeah, I think I'll continue this vlog tomorrow. So I'll see you. Hi everyone, it's Thursday, 7th November. So I'm in my kitchen. So today I'm going to make some cold coffee because I'm a sucker for cold coffee. So I'm craving this. So I'll show you how I make my cold coffee. I don't make it every day, but sometimes if I feel like to. So we need a blender and of course your favorite coffee, whichever brand you like, and milk, and we'll add some water, then I'll show you more. So as you can see, I have blended the sugar and hot water with half a teaspoon of coffee. Now it's ice time. We'll add some ice Can I be honest? It's good, but it's not nice. I hope you understand. It's like good. You can have it for once, but not every day because घर पे बनाई हुई कॉफ़ी का फ़ील आ रहा है कि घर पे ही बनाई है. जो बाहर मिलती है वो लगता है कि यार कॉफ़ी है